Yasmin Fackley is a 12-year-old who loves to cook and bake. She loves it so much that she's been doing it for years.
I started cooking when I was 8 because I was diagnosed as a celiac, which means I can't eat wheat, rye, barley, or oats, which was what most of the foods that you saw in the stores were made out of. Since we couldn't find any food that tasted good for me to eat, my mom started to bake for me. I enjoyed baking with my mom, so I started to bake after that, and within the last year or two, my mom's allowed me to bake on my own. I just like to cook. I like to eat what I cook. I feel proud about what I've made. For some reason, that things that you make by yourself always seem to taste much better than the stuff you get from stores. I could work for a company so that I could help them trying to make new foods. I could work for a celiac company or bakery. I could own my own restaurant and cook for it. Or I could just do this at home for eating. There's lots of things I could do.
She's got so many options. She could take some sort of hospitality program either at a college level or at a university level. She can also take the cook or the baker apprenticeship thing. That's an obvious one. She can even start that in high school if she wants to.
Apprenticeship is truly on-the-job training. In cooking and baking, they work on-the-job training under a journeyman, coming to us 2 months a year for 3 years to essentially do finishing school and improve their skills.
You have to be around for those moments when she needs some help. And then you have to be able to back off and let her do her thing. And sometimes in her case that means every cupboard door is open, but she won't learn unless she gets her hands in there. And so it's important to us that she learns, really important to us that she learns.